Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing and flip through video of a brand new release called Believe in Your Own Magic Oracle Deck. This is by Amanda Lovelace with art by Janaina Medeiros, hopefully I said it right. There's going to be some smudges, there's going to be some spots on this because I literally just spilt some of my sugar-free soda all over this as I was getting ready to film. So forgive that, I do apologize, but this is a brand new release. This is something I pre-ordered right when the pre-order started because it was so pretty and I liked the description. So this retails for $19.99. It is actually a Andrews McMeel Publishing, and it says two-time Goodreads Choice Award-winning poet and USA Today bestselling author Amanda Lovelace presents Believe in Your Own Magic, a stunning new oracle deck based on her celebrated poetry series, Women Are Some Kind of Magic. With art by fairy tale illustrator Janaina Medeiros, each card offers daily messages of empowerment to stir your inner princess, witch, or mermaid, while the highly accessible guidebook offers further insight. Whenever you're in need of some inspiration or validation, this deck will be there to help you believe in your own magic. Perfect for beginners and suitable for practitioners at every skill level. So I'm really excited. I literally did not see any of these pictures when I pre-ordered it. So I am super excited because it looks like it's going to be pretty inclusive. So let's open her up. You can see my little smudges and marks. Okay, so basic, there's the deck. Oh, and then, okay, so the guidebook's stuck in. Okay. First of all, let's take a look at this thing here. I mean, if you have trouble seeing small font, this is a deck for you because this is perfectly nice and big and awesome. Cute. Okay. For much of my childhood, my mother collected tarot cards as well as oracle cards. I found myself simultaneously fascinated and intimidated by the idea of them. Okay, you're not psychic enough for this. You definitely need to be psychic and read the cards. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so basically it is her background. What's the difference between tarot and oracle cards? What's your intention with this deck? So it's use this deck any way you see fit. Perfect. Daily messages of empowerment or inspiration. Perfect. Okay. Awesome. So it really goes through and helps you. So no reverse meanings. It gives you all the information that you should want from the guidebook here. Let's see. Perfect. So here we go. There is a bunch. Oh, there's different groupings. Okay. So we have princess cards, we have witch cards. Oh, I love it. Mermaid cards. How cute. Okay, and that looks like that's about it. Let's see. Oh. Yep. Okay, sorry, I don't want to bore you. I just want you to get all the information and what to expect out of the deck. And here we go. I'm excited. Oh, look at how cute that is. Great size. They are pretty thin, but we'll see how they shuffle. So, you know, we'll be checking that out. So here we go. We have Princess. You can be your own knight. I love it. They are numbered. No borders, which is fantastic. Cute. Love it. I love the body inclusivity. There was already diversity. Look at this. This is what I would consider a 2020 deck. This is what we should all be striving for. Inclusivity of all diverse races, body types. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, this is exciting. Oh, I love this. This looks like my bathroom with all the plants. Oh, I love. The artwork is stunning. Don't seek anyone's approval. Love that. These are so gorgeous. Oh, I'm so happy. I had no idea what to expect with this. I just bought it, pre-ordered it, just with the description. So cute. They really do feel really good in the hand. They're pretty smooth. They're not gloss per se. You can see a little reflection there, but they're pretty decently matte, which is great. At least for me, because with filming with the ring light and everything, I don't really like the reflection with the gloss. So what we'll do is we'll go through these, finish this up, and then we'll see how they shuffle. And then we'll pull a card and see how the guidebook will read. I really like these. These are very much like self-care cards, for sure. Very empowering. I love that. Oh, so great. So great. Like, I'm going to cry at how beautiful these are and how just diverse and wonderful, and the messaging here is, this is how you make a deck in 2020. Like, this right here. I'm going to always repeat it. I'm going to always be on that little soapbox telling you all how important it is to have everyone be represented. This is just fantastic. I'm super, super happy with this. Cute. So these will be great for your morning pulls, your daily pulls, meditations. If you wake up after a really interesting dream and you want to kind of have some clarification, I feel like this would be great. If you need some pick-me-ups, pull a card. Some clarification, pull a card. Journaling, pull a card. This is just fantastic. I mean, okay. Beautiful, beautifully done, beautiful messages. And it snapped back. So shuffling's great. They are a bigger size, your average oracle size, I'd say. So they're thin, but I don't have an issue with it. They're not terribly thin at all. I don't have an issue with these whatsoever. Oh, and they shuffle like a dream like this too. They don't stick. Okay, can I grab a card? Okay, Voyage, we'll do that. Okay. Voyage, you already have all the answers. And oh, geez, I pulled it right up. Interesting how that works. You've been feeling lost for a while now, wandering through your life aimlessly, searching everywhere for meaning and never coming up with anything of substance. That's the problem. You keep searching for answers outside yourself when all the answers can be found within. If you take the time to look, you need a spiritual mentor, and at this point in your life, that person needs to be you. Wow. Okay. So, my opinion here, first of all, I love the fact that the font is huge. That was no shade at all. When I said that before, like, I love that the font is big because it just makes it easier for me. I'm old. No. No, not really. But I like that the font's big. I like that it's just enough information for you guys. It's beginner friendly. It is fantastic. It is all ages friendly. It is inclusive, it's diverse, it's beautifully done. I dinged that up already. But I love it. They're big, they're bold, they're beautiful, they're perfect for anything that you want to use them for. I'm curious what you would use these for. If it's divination or if it's a lot of things. I'm just so excited to see different body types, different skin tones. I'm so, so, so happy and excited about this. This is how you make a deck in 2020. Like, it's about dang time. Sundress, do it for you. These are so stinking sweet, so empowering, so encouraging. And I mean, what a positive, happy deck. I literally have goosebumps. I love it. Like, I'm so excited. I want to know your thoughts on this. $19.99, I think, is a wonderful price for the amount of cards. I can't remember how many cards we actually went through. 45 cards. The guidebook isn't, you know, super serious. It isn't super detailed, but it's just enough to get you where you need to go with the deck. So let me know your thoughts about this down in the comment section. Did you pre-order it? Was this even on your radar? Are you excited about it now? What are your thoughts? I love hearing what you have to say. So I'm super stoked and super excited about this. I cannot wait to start using it. I cannot wait to get some positive affirmations and some positive feedback in the morning when I do my daily pulls. So let me know what you think down in the comment section. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. I have a lot coming. Not only the new releases that are coming out, but also old releases and different types of videos, my favorite things, and more Pick-a cards on their way. So don't miss out. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you will never miss anything. All right. Thank you so much. And you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.